Question 22. The cerebellum of the brain controls A. Reflex action, B. Muscular activity, C. Emotional expression, D. The endocrine system. The correct option is B. Muscular activity. Question 23. The lowest level of organization in living organism is A. Organ, B. Cell, C. System, D. Tissue. The correct option is B. Cell. Question 24. A severe and long dry season is a characteristic feature of A. Sahel savanna, B. Mangrove swamps, C. Sudan savanna, D. Guinea savanna. The correct option is A. Sahel savanna. Question 25. Water in plants is removed as water vapor through the process of A. Diffusion, B. Osmosis, C. Evaporation, D. Transpiration. The correct option is D. Transpiration, which is the loss of water in plants in form of vapor through the stomata. Question 26. Worries, arches, loops, and compounds are types of variation in A. Eye color, B. Fingerprints, C. Hair color, D. Blood group. The correct option is B. Fingerprints. Question 27. An example of poikilothermic organism is A. Lizard, B. Cockroach, C. Rabbit, D. Bird. The correct option is A. Lizard. Question 28. The organ of attachment to the lining of the host intestine are labeled A. II and III, B. III and IV, C. I and II, D. I and III. The correct option is A. II and III. This diagram shows the diagram of the head of the tapeworm, with I representing the head, which is the restolum, II representing the hoop, III representing the sucker, IV representing the proglotid. So the correct option is A. II and III, which is the hook and the sucker. Question 29. An individual with blood group AB can receive blood from those in blood groups A, B, AB, and O, B, A, AB, and O only, C, AB only, D, A and B only. The correct option is A, B, AB, and O, because blood group AB are universal recipients. Question 30. Adaptive radiation is illustrated in A. Modified insect mouth parts, B. Dentition in mammals, C. Wings in birds and bats, D. Appendages in insects. The correct option is C. Wings in birds and bats. Adaptive radiation is the process by which one ancestral species gives rise to many new species, each adapted to a different environment or lifestyle. The correct option is C. Wings in birds and bats. Question 31. The causative agent of poliomyelitis is A. Virus, B. Fungus, C. Protozoa, D. Bacterium. The correct option is A. Virus, as poliomyelitis is caused by picanovirus. Question 32. The soil with the highest water retaining capacity is A. Clay soil, B. Stony soil, C. Sandy soil, D. Loamy soil. The correct option is A. Clay soil, which has the highest water retaining capacity? Question 33. The stomata of leaves are similar in function to the A. Pharynx of humans, B. Scales of fish, C. Spiracles of insects, D. Trachea of toads. The correct option is C. Spiracle of insects. Question 34. Which of the following instruments is used in measuring atmospheric pressure? A. Hydrometer, B. Hygrometer, C. Thermometer, D. Barometer. The correct option is D. Barometer. Question 35. The part responsible for photosynthesis is labeled A. II, B. IV, C. I, D. III. The correct option is III. What? Question which is option D, which is the chloroplast responsible for photosynthesis. Question 36. Which of the following is true of smallpox? A. It is transmitted by bacteria. B. It can effectively be controlled with antibiotics. C. It can effectively be controlled by vaccination. D. It is a waterborne infection. The correct option is C. It can effectively be controlled by vaccination. Question 37. Use the figure on question 28 to answer this question. The wrong plogotype is represented by. This diagram is for that question. The young plogotype is option IV. So the correct option here is B, IV. Question 38. One of the advantage of question 38. One of the advantage of outbreeding is A. Pest tolerance, B. Disease resistance, C. Fast growth, C. Tall height. The correct option is D, B. Disease resistance. Outbreeding is the mating of unrelated individuals of the same species. So the correct option is B, disease resistance. Question 39. Coordination and regulation of body activities in mammals are achieved by the A. Nerves and muscles, B. Nerves and hormones, C. Nerves only, D. Hormones only. The correct option is B. Nerves and hormones, which play the role of coordination and regulation of body activities in mammals. Question 40. Which of the following organisms is multicellular? A. Chlamydomonas, B. Spirogyra, C. Ameba, D. Euglena. The correct option is B. Spirogyra. Question 41. The major limiting factor of productivity in the aquatic habitat is A. Food, B. Temperature, C. Water, D. Sunlight. The correct option is D. Sunlight. Question 42. In vascular plants, the sieve tubes and companion cells are present in the A. Cambium, B. Cortex, C. Xylem, D. Phloem. The correct option is D. Phloem. The phloem helps in the transportation of food, and it has the sieve tube and the companion cells that play their major role, which helps in the transportation of food in plants. So the correct option is D. Phloem. Question 43. The influence of soil on organisms in a habitat is referred to as A. Edaphic, B. Physiographic, C. Biotic, D. Topographic. The correct option is A. Edaphic. Question 44. The streamlined shape of fishes is an adaptation for A. Securing mates, B. Easy movement, C. Obtaining food, D. Defense and attack. The correct option is B. Easy movement. Question 45. Alternation of generation is a feature shown in A. Mosses, B. Fungi, C. Grasses, D. Conifers. The correct option is A. Mosses. Alternation of generation shows a life cycle between bryophytes and sporophytes. And organisms that experience this are the ferns and the mosses. So the correct option is A. Mosses. Question 46. In bryophytes, sex organs are produced in the A. Protonema, B. Sporophyte, C. Gametophyte, D. Rhizoid. The correct option is C. Gametophyte. The gametophyte carries the sex organs in bryophytes. Question 47. The use of moist skin for respiration in amphibians is known as A. Cellular respiration, B. Cutaneous respiration, C. Buccal respiration, D. Pulmonary respiration. The correct option is B. Cutaneous respiration, which is the use of skin for respiration in amphibians. Question 48. Which of the following group of organisms feed directly on green plants? A. Primary consumers, B. Secondary consumers, C. Producers, D. Decomposers. The correct option is A. The primary consumer, which feed directly on green plants. Question 49. When adults have reached a certain degree of weakness, the process of binary fission is replaced by conjugation in A. Paramecium, B. Euglena, C. Ameba, D. Plasmodium. The correct option is A. Paramecium, as it is the only organism that undergoes conjugation. Question 50. One common feature of the fungi, algae, moss, and fern is that they A. Are photosynthetic, B. Show alternation A. Are photosynthetic, B. Show alternation of generation, B. C. Reproduce by means of conjugation, D. Have no seed. The correct option is D. Have no seed, because fungi, algae, moss, and fern do not have seeds. So the correct option is D. Have no seed. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.
Okay, guys, so please take note that we have a JAMB WhatsApp group for 2026 JAMB Bites. All right. So if you're writing JAMB for 2026, we have a JAMB WhatsApp group where we do daily revisions on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. So if you're a science student and you want to join our JAMB WhatsApp group, I'll leave a link to the JAMB WhatsApp group in the video description. All right. You can also join our JAMB channel membership to get access to exclusive content for JAMB Bites, or you can get the full JAMB course on our website. Simply visit www.journalimmanu.com/courses and you see the JAMB/WAEC classes. All right. Okay, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. All right. Like this video. Also leave a comment. Right, for the comments, I gave you a task, question number 11. Solve it, leave your answer in the comment section, and I'll tell you if you're correct or not. Don't forget to also subscribe. If it's your first time here or you're yet to subscribe, please do what to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and select all so that you get notified whenever we upload a new content. Then finally, ensure to share this video to your friends and their colleagues so that they can also learn. Thank you and see you in our next class.